Hey, beautiful people! Welcome back to Whimsy Trick. Today, we're diving into the ultimate style hack, Temu. Are you tired of thinking you need deep pockets or designer labels to slay your look? Well, I've got news for you. Temu's got your back. Struggling to look cute without breaking the bank? I've got the solution, Temu. I stumbled upon Temu everywhere online, and I thought, let's see if the hype is real. Spoiler alert, it totally is. Their customer service? A+. I mean, I love feeling pretty, and Temu nails it. I had a wedding to attend, and guess what? I decided to go all in with Temu. Can you believe it? A dress for less than $20, a belt that was too small for my waist, so, hello. It became a necklace, for under $2, a bracelet, earrings, nails, and glue, all under $2 each. And voila, there's the pic, me, decked out in almost everything from Temu, feeling cute as ever with just around $30. Temu affordable style equals happiness. And that hat you see? Amazon, $20. If only I'd known about Temu back then, it might have been a steal at $3.50. Temu, your fashion secret. Here's the best part. Temu offers free shipping if you spend just $10 and free returns on items. Can I get a heck yeah for that? Temu budget-friendly plus hassle-free. Their customer service rocks. They're so understanding. If they can't take something back, they'll give you credit for next time. Plus, if your package arrives fashionably late, you're rewarded with a $5 credit. Talk about win-win. Temu service excellence. Alright, the materials might not scream luxury. But hey, if you've got that creative touch, you're already a winner. Fashion without breaking the bank. Scrolling through, Temu kept popping up on my screen, and curiosity got the better of me. And folks, let me tell you, I've been blown away. Their customer service? Impeccable. As someone who adores looking chic, Temu doesn't disappoint. I had this wedding on the horizon, and you know what I did? I went all Temu. Can you believe it? A stunning dress for under $20. A too small belt, repurposed as a necklace, hello creativity, for less than $2. A charming bracelet, earrings, nails, and glue, all under $2 each. And here's the pic. Me, rocking almost everything from Temu, feeling like $1,000,000 with just around $30. Style at unbeatable prices. Let's talk about that hat you see. Amazon, $20. Imagine if I'd known about Temu. It might have been a steal at $3.50. Display text, Temu, the fashion game changer. Now here's the cherry on top. Temu spoils you with free shipping when you hit just $10, and their free returns policy? A real lifesaver. Temu, easy on the pocket plus hassle-free. Their customer service is a dream. If returning isn't an option, they'll credit you for your next splurge. Plus, if your package arrives fashionably late, you score a cool $5 credit. Temu, customer care excellence. Alright, the materials might not scream high-end. But for those with an eye for style and mixing things up, you're already ahead in the fashion game. Temu, creativity is key. Did this Temu review strike a chord? Give it some love. Hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, why not join the squad by hitting subscribe? Stay tuned for more pics sharing my Temu journey. More fashion adventures headed your way. Temu review. Style on a shoestring budget. Temu, redefining fashion affordability. Have you ever encountered a brand that just keeps popping up everywhere? That's how I stumbled upon Temu. And let me tell you, their customer service? Top-notch. As someone who values looking fabulous, Temu exceeded my expectations. Picture this. I had an upcoming wedding and guess where I turned for my outfit? Yep, Temu. A stunning dress for less than $20. A belt that doubled up as a necklace for under $2. A chic bracelet, earrings, nails, and glue, all under $2 each. Take a peek at this pic. That's almost a full Temu ensemble. And I felt like a fashion queen spending just around $30. Temu, budget-friendly fashion royalty. Now, that hat you see. Amazon, $20. Imagine if I'd discovered Temu earlier. It might have been a steal at $3.50. Here's the scoop. Temu offers free shipping on a $10 spend and hassle-free returns. It's like a style paradise without the stress. Their customer service is a dream. If returns aren't possible, they'll credit you for your next shopping spree. And a $5 credit if your package decides to take the scenic route to your doorstep. Temu, customer care extraordinaire. Now, on the flip side? Sure, the materials might not be haute couture. But for those with a knack for mixing and matching, you've hit the jackpot. Temu, mix and match mastery. Did this Temu experience resonate with you? If so, show some love. Smash that like button, share your thoughts in the comments. And hey, join the fashion fam by subscribing. Stay tuned for more snapshots capturing my Temu journey, more fashion tales heading your way. Feel free to add personal anecdotes, showcase more Temu products, or share tips on styling to make the review more relatable and engaging for your audience.